Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find computer serial number in Windows 11 or 10. For this video, I will use two methods and you can either. First one method is through command prompt. For this, click on this one start button, type here cmd. In the search results, click on this one command prompt entry. In command prompt window, copy and paste this one command wmic a space BIOS, a space get, a space serial number, and then press enter on the keyboard. For your convenience, I will put this command or link in this video description. From there, you can copy this one command and get your computer serial number. In case you love to use PowerShell, then click on this one command prompt, a start button. Type here PowerShell. In the search results, click on this one Windows PowerShell entry. In Windows PowerShell window, all you need to issue the command this one gwmi space win32 underscore BIOS. Like this, you need to copy and paste this one command. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will also display the same serial number as you have got in the command prompt. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.